Hi there, my name is Elena and today I want to talk about how I'm using music in my videos, in my vlogs, from where I do get it and how to choose the right music and just small tips about license, all the stuff, because you in comments sometimes asking me from where this track is, or just saying compliments to me that music is so good in this vlog. Thank you so much, and I want to show my tips and tricks. So first of all, music could be for illustration and music could be on background. For example, now music's like so quiet music on background when I'm talking. I like adding music when I'm talking, it's adding some mood. But sometimes, and usually in vlogs, I'm using illustrated music. So when we have a B-roll or like A-roll and music on the background, so I'm not talking anything, that just picture and music. And you could use only licensed music, because if not, YouTube will strike you. And when we upload in video, like it's uploading, and then we see that it's no copyright claims, because YouTube really understand all copyrights. I had this situation with vlog from Birch, I guess, yeah, and I was talking something on the background, and on the background was a radio, like boom radio playing, and it was a really quiet track on the background, and I decided to left it. YouTube struck me and I needed to re-edit video and to add licensed music, because with strike you don't have a monetization. And I also tried a lot of music services, around 5 I guess, and I chose one. I used Epidemic. They are uploading more music every day, and on other services it's more expensive and not that many updates there, but on Epidemic it's like it's perfect. I will add a link below, so you will have I guess 1 month for free. It's not advertisement. I'm just using the service more than 1 year and I really like it and really recommend it. So here you can see recommendation for me based on what music I do download, but here you have a lot of playlists. You could check music, for example, it's here for vlog you could find, or just for fashion and beauty vlogs, or more cinematic music. I'm using browsing, so I'm going to browse, and because I like to add more classical music, I usually use classic here folder, or jazz. Sometimes acoustic I could use, sometimes country, but here is country more American music, more like American country music, but sometimes I could find really relaxing country. Sometimes I also could use funk. So here you could find more relaxing and more playful music. And here on this service you could download any music even without a subscription. But you should know that your video will be striked if you use these tracks without a subscription. For example, you want to upload a vlog like next week, you need to pay for service like day before, download music from here, and licensed music counts only if you have subscription on that day that you are uploading that video. For example, if you want to unsubscribe in 1 year, your music will be still licensed, because when you uploaded it like 1 year ago, you had subscription, so it's everything okay with your videos. So make sure you paying for it, because yeah, for me it was like, oh, I just signing up to the service, and here you could find download button and you could download any track, and I said, oh, okay, it's good, I could download anything. But then in terms I just read it, it's obvious, but for me that day it was not obvious that you need to be on subscription for sure, yeah, because it will not count. So you could download just to listen or just to see how your vlog will be with this music, but uploading on YouTube you could do only with subscription. Hopefully it's clear. So let's take a look on my process. Usually I'm combining all these parts, see, all the small parts of videos together. I'm just cutting them if I need to like cut, or just video could be 5 seconds. I left only 3 seconds or 4 seconds, for example. Then I cut all my speaking video, everything, and then I see, for example, final video could be like without music, like this one, and then I see, okay, on this part, like intro, I need music, I need to add something. Here, when I'm saying something, I could use music, but here I didn't. And then I started to find music that represents this mood, because it's really important not to use music that you like, only music that you like, but to use that music that suits for this mood video. Yeah, you understand? If it's like slow living video, it will be so odd to use music like beats or reggae or something if it's not in this mood, right? So it's better to use classical. And opposite way, when you are going hang out with your friends and like on video something like a lot of fun, you could see a lot of friends and it's classical music on the background. Sometimes it could be like doesn't suit for this video. So here, see, you could see a part of audio of a track. I just cut them. See, it's like a big track. I just cut it here, and usually how to add a transition, I did fade out. I'm using Final Cut, but fade out you could find in any video editor. So here, fade out, so music going slowly, more quiet, like that. Yeah, and I'm starting here to talk. Yeah, it's the same track, so here I use intro of this track, and then I cut it and choose it like center part of track to put it here, and here also I use it fade in. See, it's like a line here, and here fade out, more smooth way to fade out. So yeah, here is a track. When I'm talking, for example, I see that my video 11, almost 12 minutes. I do understand that I need at least 3 or 4 tracks. So I don't like when in blog repeating one track, especially when it's illustrative music, yeah? On background it could be, but if it's illustrative it's annoying because it seems like everything's the same. So I see that here was an episode when I'm drawing with watercolor, right? And then I finish it, and here I say just I'm finished and I'm going to flower shop. And then I finished music here and start a new track. Here, see, it's like a new track, a new chapter. So I'm trying to divide all my video in chapters and add music to different chapters with different mood, because sometimes it's different. In the beginning could be slow, like something slow from morning, and in the middle it could be more active, right? So I need more active music, and here you could find more active music as well. So yeah, it's going here, and then I'm talking something. Sometimes I could add not music on the background, but sound effect. So here you could find bird park sounds. So sometimes I could add birds on the background to add more mood, I guess. It's bird on a on a video, but I added more because sometimes microphone trying to cut all sounds around, so I added more sound of birds here. And then again, see, it's like I'm telling that I'm going home, and then I'm going home, and from home it's a new chapter of this video, so I am adding a new track and it comes to the end. So this music is illustrative because I'm not talking anything in this video. It's like illustrating what I'm doing. So in the end, you need a subscription for your licensed service to use your music. You can't use just popular tracks. You can't use just any tracks that you could download online. It doesn't work this way. You need a license. And here in account you need to add a link to your YouTube video or YouTube channel, so the service will understand that it's music that you are using for this particular channel. And yeah, you could use this music for Instagram as well, for Facebook, for TikTok as well. I'm not using for Instagram. On Instagram I'm using internal music, but on YouTube I'm using only this service and really like it. The second is try to divide your videos with chapters by music. So here another vlog, and you could see like one track here, a second here, and another here. So I'm just tried to separate everything with music. And also try to choose music based on the mood of the video. So sometimes, to be honest, it could be hard for me, for myself, like I could edit for 30 minutes but choosing music for 1 hour, because I need to find the perfect one track that suits the situation and this footage and this video perfectly. So yeah, I'm working hard on music. I'm spending a lot of time. Sometimes you could find the first track is the perfect one, but usually it is not. Usually I'm spending a lot of time for choosing, browsing between recommendations, browsing between different playlists, listen to all this track one by one, and then putting some tracks in video and realizing that no, it doesn't work like perfectly, and choosing another one. It's not a small detail, it's a huge detail that makes your video more interesting. Music helps you to tell the story in that particular way that you want. So I'm trying to cut times that I'm spending on editing. So even before editing, I do have a final edit in my head, and I do understand that okay, in the end I need that music, in the middle I need kinda this music, and in the beginning on intro I need, for example, jazz. Also sometimes I could do by search. So for example, I could add, for example, France. When I edited vlog from Paris, I searched it by France, and for example England, countryside, birds. You could use any words that you could remember and use for your mood videos. So yeah, hopefully it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, or if you want to try my service for 1 month, you could try. Again, it's not ad, nobody paid me for this one. I just wanted to share with you because I had a lot of questions about music, and my process really clear and really simple. I'm trying not to do some complicated things. I'm just using basic and simple way to do so, to minimize time I'm spending on editing or just on filming. I know the result that I need, the result that I want to achieve, and try to achieve this result in minimalistic and in a simple way. So yeah, hopefully it was helpful for you. Write comments, subscribe, add likes, and ask another topics that you want to hear from me, to know from me. I will film small videos about all these details if you need it. Just let me know in comments, and thank you so much. See you.